Fiverr Success Roadmap, 2025 Step-by-Step Guide from Beginner to Top Seller. Fiverr's Easy Money. You've heard it 1,000 times while doom scrolling. Cute. Truth is, last month 4,300 fresh logo gigs dropped, and only 37 ever sold more than 5 copies, so the odds aren't great unless you know the game. I'm Mohammed, and in the next 12 minutes I'll give you the exact playbook that took me from absolute zero, no reviews, zero cash, to top-rated seller this year. Steal it, tweak it, and you can skip the 6-month graveyard phase. Most new sellers open Fiverr, copy the top 3 gigs, slap a $5 sticker on it, then rage tweet that the algorithm ghosted them. Spoiler: the algorithm isn't mad at you. It just hasn't noticed you yet. Until your profile screams, "I'm the specialist you're looking for," your wallpaper. Step 1. Profile glow-up takes 20 minutes, pays dividends. First, rewrite your bio like you're texting a friend who needs help. Mine kicks off, "Hey, I'm Mohammed, former burnt-out marketing coordinator turned conversion copywriter who's helped SaaS brands crack 7 figures." The phrase, conversion copywriter, sits smack in the middle. That one keyword rocketed me from page 14 to page 2 in 2 days. Next, the photo. I ditched the stiff studio headshot for a grainy iPhone pic, sunlight behind me, goofy smile. Bookings jumped 19%. Fiverr's own numbers say approachable photos get 1.6 times more clicks. I just followed the math. Finally, the gig title, Swap. I will write website copy for I'll write high-converting SaaS site copy that books demos. Long tail, benefit-driven, stuffed with keywords exactly what Fiverr SEO is thirsty for. Don't skip this. It's free real estate. Step 2. Pick a niche so narrow it makes a needle look roomy. Ignore the logo design bloodbath. The 2025 Gold Rush niches are tiny but explosive. AI quick wins, AI-powered product descriptions, chatbots for Shopify, Etsy analytics reports, micro problems, huge demand. I launched an AI audit gig 3 weeks ago, and it's already pulling $1,800 a week, no ads, no drama. Hyper-focused landing pages, not WordPress sites. Try Shopify landing pages optimized for mobile when your ad budget's under $5,000. Sub-niche specificity lets you charge 10 times and still feel like a steal. Short-form video edits, TikTok hooks, UGC ads, YouTube shorts. One client's ROAS jumped 200% after I turned their webinar into 9 vertical clips. Now they're on retainer at $650 a week. Before you hit Create Gig, do a little recon. Screenshot the top sellers in your micro-niche pricing tiers, packages, even their typos. Then offer better quality, faster delivery, or a bonus asset they're too lazy to include. That razor-thin edge beats racing to the $5 bottom every time. Next, keyword math. Fiverr SEO is basically Google circa 2010. Find 5 long tails with 200-plus monthly searches and less than 600 competing gigs. Sprinkle them in your title, description, even image alt text. My weirdest trick: rename image files. Mobile conversion Shopify landing page .png. Looks dumb, lands page 1 every time. Pricing game: Fiverr is quietly burying the $5 crowd. Start your base at $40. Signals pro to both the bot and real buyers. I get more orders at $95 than I ever did at $15, and the algorithm showers me with impressions because higher AOV keeps the marketplace healthy. Communication hacks. Reply to every message within 15 minutes while you're awake. Hop on Fiverr Zoom for a quick strategy call, and send daily progress gifts so buyers never wonder if you've vanished into the ether. 5-star reviews snowball when clients feel like VIPs instead of just another invoice. Scaling comes last. Once you hit level 2, spin off your best gig into a sister service. My copy gig spawned email sequences for SaaS trials and LinkedIn DM scripts for founders. Same audience, new pockets. Each new listing inherits all the social proof, so ramp-up time drops from 3 weeks to 3 days. Quick recap: profile tuned for humans, niche smaller than your ex's apologies, SEO tighter than skinny jeans, pricing high enough to scare off tire kickers, and service so smooth buyers brag about you in their sleep. Rinse, repeat, pocket the difference. If you're still staring at the screen wondering, cool, but what's my first gig? Drop the exact service you're thinking about in the comments. I'll scroll through and fire back a title, price, and keyword set you can upload today. Hit subscribe, grab the free checklist below, and I'll see you at the top.